Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make ice cream at home with milk. Start by combining milk, sugar, and your chosen flavor in a bowl, then whisk until sugar dissolves and mixture looks smooth. Pour into a chilled container or ice cream maker and follow the freezing method you prefer. Keep stirring or churning regularly to maintain a creamy texture and prevent large ice crystals from forming. Choose your milk based on desired richness and dietary needs. Whole milk gives a naturally creamier base, while adding cream boosts silkiness and body. For lighter versions, use low-fat milk, but expect an icier outcome unless you add stabilizers like powdered milk or cornstarch. If you use non-dairy milk, consider blending in a little coconut cream or a small amount of xanthan gum to mimic the mouthfeel of dairy and improve scoopability. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more easy recipes. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker is great for setting timers, playing music while you churn, and getting hands-free help with measurements. It's a small gadget that brightens your kitchen and saves time during recipes. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Pick a method that fits your time and equipment. No-churn recipes are foolproof and require minimal stirring, perfect for beginners. Handshake is fun and hands-on. Seal the mix and shake with ice and salt until frozen. An ice cream maker yields the creamiest results by churning as it freezes, so pre-chill the bowl and keep the mixture cold before starting for optimal texture and flavor.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.